This is your daily glimpse of science. Before we jump into the video, please hit the like and subscribe button.
Hey North Pole, it's almost time for us to reverse.
Time flies so fast. The magnetic field of the Earth has frequently reversed at the interval of 1 million to 100 million years. So how many millions of years have gone by?
I'm not sure, but I heard that during the past 2.5 million years, 8 species of one-cell marine animals called Radiolaria had come to extinction. 6 of these extinctions occur at the same time throughout their geographic range. These extinctions happened immediately after the magnetic field reversed.
The Earth's magnetic field protects the planet from cosmic and solar radiation. However, the magnetic field can weaken during the pole reversal. A 2016 study found that such reversals that weaken the magnetic field had a connection with a mass extinction of marine life 550 million years ago.
Are we really the cause for the death of those little creatures?
The scientists speculated that the resulting increased radiation during the weakened magnetic field could be the cause that led to the demise of many shallow water organisms.
I guess I see you in a few million years. Let me know how things go.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.